finally ended. And you said something which I wish you didn't say. Oh my god. Okay.
I didn't add my contact solution yet. Mary!
Sorry. But
I need to tell Mary something solution. If my
Yeah.
mom was here, she'd yell at you.
Oh my god.
This is what. No, I didn't add the salt in. Or did you?
Now I'm gonna put the salt in.
Whoa, Mary, look at that.
Cool.
I know you mean awesome.
I know.
I just can't stop thinking about what just happened. Mary!
You're mean.
No, seriously.
Just kidding.
No, seriously, Mary.
Why would I call you mean?
Because you just said the poop.
Put some salt in.
Oh, I think that's a little too much nail polish.
Put some salt in and mix it all together. Ah!
Oh,
Got it in my nose.
Oh my god! Ow! Again, I've been crying, laughing ever since the school day halfway even started.
Yeah, just so you know, we're in the same class with our other best friends, and it's like.
And we have like
amazing.
a clown in our class.
I know.
Not
it's just
actual
Giancarlo.
Giancarlo is just hilarious. Let me add my water.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
Time to add my salt.
I'm like, oh my gosh, it's still sticky.
I can't see it. Oh.
I know, just look. Okay, it's still sticky.
So later we go. It's time to.
I need some more salt.
Oh. Oh,
Sorry
it's
if I'm
kind of
getting
turning
glue
out
in your
good.
salt container.
It's kind of turning out good.
I'm just gonna use.
Might be a little too watery. But you know, it'll dry. I think I might want to add a little more
There's
nail.
no more salt in here.
I might want
Do
to
you
add.
have more salt, Frank?
I might want to add just a little bit more nail polish, but with purple this time, guys. Not to say the SH word. When the video just ended, Mary said a bad word.
I didn't know what I was gonna say. It just popped up right off my mouth.
I hate when that happens. Like you're like, oh shoot.
Oh. Gavin, stop. It's still sticky. Do you have any more salt, Frank?
No, that's it.
Look at that. It's just,
I'm gonna add some more nail polish too.
oh, it's getting into.
I'm
barf.
using some moss.
Guys, mine's getting into barf color. You gotta be kidding me.
Show them.
Guys, is that barf color? Comment down below. That's just gross.
Oh, yeah. I agree.
It looks like galaxy barf to me. That's my opinion. Well, not really, but like, I might need to add some of this.
Nope, there's no nail polish in here.
That's why I use this one.
And I use the purple one after you.
Wait, I'm gonna add.
Oh!
Oh.
Out of my hand.
So when I mix it, I'm actually after that I'm gonna add my little lip gloss there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some lip gloss too. Come out, stupid nail polish.
Mary,
Gosh, just don't.
you're the foul languager today.
It's not a bad word.
I'm just kidding. Hopefully white could change its color.
Oh my gosh, look at this pretty color.
Let's see if this white can actually. Mary, jeez.
Okay, I have a feeling this isn't gonna work.
Me neither. I don't know if it's gonna work.
I need some of
Mine's not really sticky, but okay. I think I really need to add in green to just make it more my way. My way. Jose.
Oh my gosh, look how much I put in.
Mary.
Let's move
Hopefully
this
the
out of the
green will change it.
Oh, look, it's turning more sparkly.
Barf color.
Barf color.
I got good number 2. No, I'm serious.
Hey guys, you
Yeah.
putting nail polish in there?
Yeah, it makes dye.
It's hers.
Yeah, no, I can't use that.
What?
Alright, don't put a lot because that stuff stains.
I know. When are we gonna do the fashion show?
Tomorrow.
Oh,
I gotta go number 2.
Come on, please do the fashion show after slime.
Hang on, I gotta go number 2. Daddy, I'm gonna go number 2, okay? Okay?
What's that?
I'm gonna go number 2. I'm gonna lock the door. We're not actually locking the door.
That's good. So guys, I'll be right back.
So guys, we're back. Sorry about that. So, oh, actually, this is
Up there, just go there.
this is actually turning good. It's kind of turning green
Well, can you look good, okay?
and purple.
so big. What's the size of your palm?
No, it's not.
Seriously?
So it's kind of turning green a little bit, but I'm okay with it. So
Go kill it, Frank.
I think I just need a bit more green.
No, we need it. We need it.
1 second.
Is this green empty? Mary, just mix up your slime or put more baking soda in. Is there any more nail polish in this? Because the video's on and I just turned it off.
Hello.
So we're gonna be making slime.
My
Let's
slime
see,
is
because there might be.
We're gonna get some contact solutions.
Mary,
Okay.
no, stay here.
I want to go see.
No, Mary, please.
Stay down there.
It's a please.
Stay down there. I don't want anybody touching that, baby.
Mary,
I'm not.
I'll be right back.
So
So we got the contact solution. That was my brother who just walked by. Yeah. His name's Jordan. Do the day.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine in.
Don't look good for them, Jordan. Sorry.
Okay.
So mine's turning green, but it kind of looks like it has.
Oh my gosh, look, it's coming together. Let me move this cup of water.
Okay, let me just add some more.
Look, it's coming together.
Oh.
Wow.
Whoa. Let me go make some. Oh my gosh, Mary, you can actually see it like going through.
I know. Oh my gosh, am I just getting? Oh
Mary,
my
look
gosh.
at that.
Did you see mine? Look, look, look.
Oh, Mary, look, there's a bubble.
Oh,
I need to add just a bit more.
but it's still sticky, so I need more.
Okay, I think that's good.
I'm peeing.
Don't look good.
That's good. I actually like this.
Go around.
I'm just gonna add just a
It's
bit
your
more.
very first slime.
Not really.
Well, no, the first one that you ever kept, because your mom threw it up the other
Yeah.
ones.
Guys, this is working out really great. I didn't actually expect this because
gonna
it took
start
a while
mixing
for
with
the
my
first
hand.
one.
I'm gonna start mixing with my hands soon.
Me too.
No,
Let me just.
I'm gonna do it soon.
Picture is not as good as theirs.
I just gotta take this off.
I'm gonna put some more
You don't
baking
need to
soda
go
so it's
around
not
this.
dry.
I'm gonna put that my fork there. Oh, it's sticky. Why is it gotta be sticky?
Ew.
It's sticky,
Ooh.
guys.
Mine is sticky, so I might need to mix it a little more.
I already used my hands.
Oh my gosh, it's sticking to my fork. I guess this is gonna be a sticky slime. Okay guys,
Why
we need
does
to pause the video.
Slime tickles me when it's sticky when I do
Yeah.
this.
No, this is stretchier than guys, this is so stretchy. But still sticky, so I might need a little more contact solution. So I'll pause the video.
So guys, we're gonna end the video from here, and that's it for today. Bye.
Smash